Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am back with my 2021 A5 Hobonichi Cousin Avec. Whew, it's a mouthful. And I'm going to be journaling with you, so get something that makes you happy. Food, drink, journal, planner, and let's just play. We are flipping it back to Saturday, January 2nd. I don't know where that voice came from. It was like we are flipping it back to the 80s. Kind of like a radio MD. This is starting out terrible. I'm not even going to erase it, so let's just do this. Okay. I put in a Hello Weekend, Life is So Good sticker. I don't know why, because it's the weekend. And then one of those little boxes from my season sticker book where I could write that I filmed a haul. And the little bear is from my Moterm packaging from my planner, and a little Emmylou Arts YouTube video sticker that I was sent. And that's where I wrote about my YouTube haul video. And then I put a little credit card frozen in a block of ice sticker up in the corner because I told you guys the no spend needs to go into effect like immediately, if not sooner. And I put the socks because I did 2 loads of laundry. It was kind of a busy Saturday. We packed in a lot this weekend, which was good because it was our last weekend before the kids went to school this morning. It is currently Monday morning. And my house is currently quiet. I'm not upset about it. I print out 4 of these little sprocket pictures using the PicStitch app on my phone. It's a free app. There's a lot of free templates. You can pay, but don't do that. You don't need to do that. And then you need to change the aspect ratio in the bottom to 4:3 or 3:4. And then you can just, stitch them together, pick stitch, as the app would have you understand. And then you can just import it to your camera roll and then export it to the Sprocket app. And then you can print it on your HP Sprocket. Computer lingo, import, export. I used my Antiquarian sticker book to put that dapper man in the center of the page who looks rather impressed with himself because we got our haircut on Saturday. I made an appointment to get Henry's haircut, and then Addie and I went to get our hairs cut as well. And it was really fun, and they tried something different for Henry's hair because he kind of likes it parted to the side. So the lady was like, do you mind if we try one of those kind of hard part hairstyles, where they sort of shave one side so that it just sort of naturally flips to the right side? I was like, hey, do it up. This is your career. I don't know anything about it. Whatever you think looks good. So Henry was down to try it, and she cut, and then she flipped him around to the mirror, and she said, so what do you think, buddy? And he's looking at it, bending his head this way and that, inspecting her work, and says,
just as I suspected. I look incredible.
I freaking love that kid. Oh my God, she died laughing. I was laughing, and I was like, well, I mean, you do look incredible. So, right on. And then I put a little picture of Henry, or actually Adeline and Michael, down on the treadmill and the spin bike when he goes down to work out. Now she likes to go down too and do it with him just because she likes to do everything that, we do. So that was really cute. And I went for a walk outside while they did that, which was nice. I almost froze the tip of my nose off, but it was still nice. I stuck in a little picture of Henry with his new do. He's just so cute. And then that little piece of thank you paper with the pig came with some of my stickers that I ordered from Amazon. Maybe the PPAPPAPPIYO ones or something. I don't know. They're all linked below, you guys. And one of Henry's long-lost Christmas gifts that was somewhere in the postal service, arrived. It was supposed to be from Adeline. She had got him 2 little Lego sets, a little Daffy Duck and a little BB-8, and she was so happy that they finally came, and he opened them, and he just loved them. Obviously, he was just so happy. And then I stuck that little sticker in there from one of the American Craft sticker books, I think, and put in a picture of Addie chilling on the daybed in my new quote-unquote office. She was watching a movie while I was doing some journaling on Saturday night, and it was really, really lovely. So she likes that she has a place where she can sit and hang out while I'm in here and there's more space. So that's cool. And then I put a little paintbrush piece of collage from, I think it was from a Real Simple, and I reminded myself that I wanted to buy paint so that I could paint my room on Sunday. Because I'm going whole hog. I'm going all in on my little office area, and it is kind of this like taupey brown color, like everything else in my house, and I wanted it to be brighter. So that's what we did. And then I put in a little sticker that said important and some of these tiny little lollipops from the Sumiko Gurashi sticker book, because Henry got his haircut and we dropped him back off at home, and then ate lunch because it was going to be a while before Addie and I could get in. And so he stayed home while we went to get our haircut. And when she was done, she's like, oh, we can't forget to get a sucker for Henry too. Like, as much as they fight, she's always thinking about him. It's so sweet. So she made sure to get him a sucker too, which I just thought was cute. And then these are, it's a sheet of stickers from, it's from Michael's, The Wonton in a Million. And I just put the little planners and stickers kind of around the little Moterm guy, because that's a lot of what I hauled, planners and stickers. And then I put that sorry not sorry sticker on there and a little heart that said today, and I just wrote on there that we made 3 more sun catchers. Which, I mean, if it keeps Addie busy and happy, then I'm all about it. I cut out the little pictures of the Arctic floofs that were from my tiny party box from Sugar and Sloth, and I glued some of our Chinese food fortune cookie fortunes on the back of it, and I made a little tip in and added a tab that said Chinese food coma, because we were in a major Chinese food coma on Saturday night. And it was all in all a wonderful day, and we had some good fortunes to top it all off, so you can't beat that. And then I put in some of these little like kawaii food stickers, and one says treat yourself and one says yummy. And then I'm just putting Mildliner hearts on it, because that's just the standard around here. So it's only July 2nd, and we already have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 things tipped in. So on to Sunday, I got up and headed to Lowe's because I wanted to buy a gallon of paint. And so I'm using some of the Plan sticker books. These are from, like Colorful Life or something. They're all Happy Planner sticker books, I believe. And I just like using those little boxes to separate different parts of my journaling, because a lot of it's just like memory keeping of different things we did during the day, and stuff like that. So I just think it makes nice little separators. And then I used some of those, they're like text words, the shopping, and then collage of the little painter's tape and a gallon of paint. And I had sprocket pictures that I printed out of Addie helping me paint my office room. And then I used one of the little Heeda girl stickers. She has a little paintbrush in her hand. Addie was actually very helpful, and she helped me get it done a lot faster than I would have been able to myself. I only painted 2 of the walls, and then I ran out of steam. But it looks good. It's really fun, and it's bright. We picked Sea Salt by Benjamin Moore. I think it's Benjamin Moore. It's a beautiful, like, gray blue color, really light. Sometimes it can look a little bit green, but it's more like a gray blue. It's very, very pretty. And then I put in a picture of, well, so my trip to Lowe's ended up with a trip to Home Goods because it was on the way home from Lowe's. And I was like, well, I might as well just stop in and see if there's any pillows that look nice. Because there's a day bed in this bedroom, and I kind of wanted to make it more look like kind of couchy and just to be bright. So I found a ton of beautiful, like, bright colored pillows and some beautiful artwork now that's in my office. So I guess the no spend starts on the 3rd or on the 4th, not before. But at least it wasn't stickers that I bought, right? So I'm really happy with how it's turned out so far, and it's very bright and cheerful, and it makes me want to be in here. So mission accomplished. I put in some collage from one of my son's scouting magazines. It's kids building a snowman, and they went out and built a snowman in the afternoon on Sunday, and they named him Bert, because why not? And they gave him little eyes and a nose, and even put a scarf on him. It actually started out because I was like, you guys got to get outside. The sun is shining, get some fresh air. And they were like, we want to jump on the trampoline. I said, well, it's covered in snow. And how are you going to do that? And then it reminded Michael that he had Daddy to the rescue. He had bought the kids neoprene socks so that they could go out there when it was cold and wet because they love to jump so much. He ordered them from Amazon. And you know what? It worked perfectly. They went out and they played on the trampoline in their neoprene socks, and it kept their feet warm and dry. They actually didn't even stop to put on boots before they built that snowman. They were both in their neoprene socks. I don't know, you guys. I would think their feet would be freezing, but they were happy as clams. So if you have a kid that wants to be outside in the winter jumping on a trampoline, buy them neoprene socks, I guess. Only Michael would find those for the kids. So they were thrilled. And then I put in one of those little girl stickers, the PPAPPAPPIYO ones, or whatever they're called, linked below, and put in that we also vacuumed, and I washed all the kids' winter stuff so that they would be ready to go back to school today and not smell like wet animals. You know that smell of a kid in their winter gear that needs to be washed? It's like a wet dog. It's so gross. And let's see, that was it, basically. It was a busy day, but we got a lot accomplished. I'm just sticking in some random pig and cat stickers, also linked below. And I love that I found those 2 little pictures because they reminded me of the pictures that I ended up buying from Home Goods. And then there another little pig and his little bird friend up in the corner, because it reminded me of Addie being my helper. I'm getting everything arranged. So that was really fun. I need to do like a reveal and share with you guys my new little space here. And then I made a tip-in out of the things that came with some of the artwork that I bought. It was, they had the artist kind of like a little bio. So her name was Alja Horvat from Slovenia. And I loved one thing that I saw caught my eye, and I absolutely loved it. And then I looked some more, and there was another little piece by her that I just loved. Totally the vibe that I wanted in here. And then I found another like girl kind of line drawing. I love them so much. So that was a major win in my book. So good weekend. I hope that 2021 is starting out on a high note for you. If it's not, we'll make it better. I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.